Here today at Anna Tyres in Manchester, doing a job for this garage. DPF clean on the Toyota RAV4, the D4D engine. So basically we done the diagnosis and we found that the DPF soot accumulation, fault codes. So after further checks and checking the back pressure, the DPF is the DPF itself blocked, no other parts related to it being faulty or anything like that. So now we are carrying a DPF clean, and we will see the result afterwards. Considering the mileage of this car, it shouldn't be blocked, but because of servicing and lack of servicing, and as well short driving, putting the wrong fuel as well cause problems, and eventually the DPF start carbon build-up, start building up inside the DPF, and yeah, it will get blocked eventually. So this is the bottom line. Thank you for watching.